Yo, 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 hello, everybody, welcome back to Switch, and it's lesson number 3 with the Kyle itself, Kyle and Switch. So I'm not really going to talk much because there's no points to. Just one more time, wealthy affiliate, core training, your brand and content, and we're jumping to privacy policy. And I have some information from the BOINKERS news. And there are some rewards. Red plunger rewards. I don't know what's that. BOINKERS recently discovered a mysterious shitcoin altar on the moon. Mysterious shitcoin altar. The legend revealed itself and whispered each artifact held a special power. Okay. Many brave shitcoiners discover a sacred item, the red plunger. Sacred item. This is like so retarded. It's awesome. It's like so stupid, so it's so funny. These red plunger, like no other, they each hold the ability to attract magical prizes. These magical prizes happen to be in the shape of ton rewards. Yes, you heard it right. If you are holding red plunger collectibles, you will receive ton. But I don't have that. I don't even know how to get it. Like, actually, download. I mean, well, not download, but sort of like create the wallet first time, my first wallet, and I introduce you to that game on the channel so you can take a look. But I don't know how to do anything within the game yet, like how to get artifacts. For today, we are keeping track of the following. If you hold 1 red plunger, you will receive 3 ton. If you hold 2 red plungers, you will receive 5 ton. If you hold 3 red plungers, you will receive 10 ton. Congratulations, shitcoiners. Legend had it that there are future rewards coming for players that have more than 3 red plunger. Legends, so obviously they know what they're doing, so stay tuned. Make sure to connect your ton wallet to BOINKERS to get your prize. For information, these artifacts are not available for collect anymore. These were only available for collection between Feb 6 to 15. Oh, okay. So that's shit then. That's crap. That's crap. Anyway, though, so if you want to know more about the game, I'm just gonna do a quick advert. Just gonna basically jump to the BOINKERS. If you want to know more about the game, it's basically you're not really mining a crypto coin, but you're mining the shitcoin, and basically they will always do at least once a year like a drop. So airdrop. So basically you will receive a cryptocurrency, maybe not much, but I don't even know what's worth it, to be honest with you. But basically, you will receive some amount of dollars just simply by judging the fact how much shitcoin you have. So basically, I have right now, it's 86,000 of shitcoins. And let's say that's going to be equivalent to 1 ton, whatever. And then I will receive like $2 or $3. I don't know exactly how it works, but I know like you're just setting up this account for free, that mining the shitcoin for you, and then at least once per year you will have some airdrop, so you will receive some money. So it's like kind of no-brainer because you don't need to do anything with it, and I still have some value from it. Anyway, so was unexpected advert of the shitcoin. We're just gonna jump to the privacy policy, which is the lesson number 3, and it's going to be just 6 minutes. And just carry on. One more time, all the ref links, whatever, are below the video. If you want to support me some other way around, you can create the wealthy affiliate account, and then I will receive $20 from you. So that'd be appreciated. And also, we have the ref link on the vid account, so it's going to be 50% off for 3 months if you want to use that specific tool.
Hey everyone, Kyle here from Wealthy Affiliate. In this quick little tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a privacy policy page on your website. This is very much a standardized page that you're going to have on all of your websites, and it's actually a requirement as well, as there's all sorts of privacy laws internationally now. The EU has the GDPR. There's privacy laws that have been built out of the USA as well. Along as, you know, just having coverage to make sure you let your audience know in what ways you're going to be using their data. In our case, we're building websites. We're not really using their data at this point. So over time, this page may be updated, but it is still very much a standardized page, and it's very straightforward to set up. So I'm going to be walking you through that process when I come back here. All right, so here I am within my hub. I'm just going to scroll down to the writing tasks. You're going to see a privacy policy writing task. This is part of the default writing tasks with every single website and hub that you build here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the right article that corresponds with the privacy policy. So I'm going to click that. That's going to open up a templated privacy policy. All that we're going to need to do here is we are going to need to update our website.
I'm running like the website for the last month and I don't even have that. But the thing is, like, obviously I will go jump to it and just do it. And the beauty is we can just do this almost instantly and just do like the extra label on the page. That at least that's what I will do, like, so you can actually access that privacy policy. But for unknown reason to me, like, well, that's the policy, so that's supposed to be. But I mean, yeah,
site where it says yoursite.com, that is just a placeholder. And then as you scroll down, you're going to
what I was trying to say, like, I don't really feel like I need this, but I guess if that need to be done, so then everybody need to do this, like, sort of. I think every website have like some sort of policy, right? So it's supposed to be.
You need to replace your first name and your email address here. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, you need to know where to grab your website URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back to my hub. And at the top of your hub here, you're going to see your website URL. Highlight that and copy the text there, and then we're just gonna go scroll back down, and if we go back to our privacy policy, you'll see that it's now in a draft state. So what we're just gonna do is click edit, and then we are going to go to all these locations, and I'm going to paste right there. So I'm just gonna do that with all of these. So I'm gonna go through, I think there's 7 or 8 instances of this. And again, this is very much a standardized document, one that's been set up for you by us that follows the appropriate conventions in terms of how data is being used on your website. And in your case, it's going to be very limited. You're not, you know, people aren't logging into your website at this point.
Exactly. That's exactly my thought. Like, I didn't know what to say, but it's like I'm just like new guy creating new stuff, and even if it's for argument's sake, let's say I'm just doing like amazing stuff right now, like everybody's supposed to, you know, connect with me and it's fucking amazing, like nobody knows about me anyway, so like my idea, I think it's amazing. It's good to learn myself from basics and teach those basics already, but even then, like, nobody knows me. Like, I don't have any fucking network at all. I don't have any fucking range. Like, you still have money to promote you. Like, I don't have any fucking money to survive right now. So, but I'm fingers crossed. And like, I'm super genuinely like believe what I'm doing right now, and just a matter of time.
you know, offering credit card details, and none of that is happening at this point on your website, and it may never. You know, as your website evolves, there may be more complexity added, but you know, cross that bridge when you get there, and you can always update this page as well. But I wouldn't be too concerned. This is going to cover all your bases here. So I
need to set up this, by the way. I will just do this after this video.
I think I've replaced all of your website locations. Now I'm just going to replace my first name there, the data protection officer, who is going to be me as the website owner. You're not running a big corporation at this point. So, you know, down the road, you may have a data protection officer. But for now, that is going to be you. And then I'm just going to put my email address. I can put anything that I want here. You could create a Gmail account. You could create a domain specific email address for that.
Yeah, I shouldn't be concerned that's about this email as well. It's just like, if you're not really making any money, so there's not really any like points to put any business email, because who's gonna write you? Like some scammers or some retards? Like this you're not gonna get anything from it. So it's just gonna be some retarded spam. In the same way, like on the YouTube, like I just put it today the game, like that Telegram game, right? Like I don't have any idea about the cryptocurrency whatsoever. I just create my first wallet, and then instantly I had like 2 messages on both videos. So obviously it's some fucking chat bot. Somebody just set up the bot to basically say hi or whatever shit it is to just videos within the crypto world. So they ask you some crap and expect you to answer whatever. So obviously nobody see that video because you instantly get some message, some spam message. So I post some messages, well, some funny message from ChatGPT. I need to set up my own agent to do the auto bot for the people who actually having those bots. Like I will set up this later on. It will be funny because I don't want to copy paste because it's a waste of time. Obviously it's a waste of time to answering for those messages, but will be funny, like actually somebody going to read that would be even funnier. So you just have to go and take a look what I actually posted, so then you will have an idea. Anyway,
that is completely up to you, but at this point I'm just going to put Kyle at Wealthy Affiliate. You can always update that down the road, and then we are done. There's nothing else that we need to do here, nothing else that we need to edit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click publish when I'm ready to go. I'm going to select the website that this is going to, and I'm going to publish this one as a page.
So that's exactly what I said. Like when you're posting as a page, then you can just put this on the menu on your page, whatever place you desire, basically. As a post, I think you need to use the widget to put the post, because posts are always in the middle of, well, pages are always in the middle of your website as well, but when you're doing the page, you can actually put on the taskbar, whatever, on the top on your page.
Going to my blog roll. So after you publish posts, they go to your homepage by default, which is your blog roll. I don't want this standardized page, in this case, going to my blog roll. So that's why I'm setting it as a page. There's two particular pieces of content that you're going to be adding as pages. Your privacy policy and typically your affiliate disclaimer are going to be added as pages on your website. So I just wanted to add that for clarity. Everything else will be added as posts as you move forward. And then I'm going to leave the permalink the same. You don't need to or want to change that. And then I am going to publish that to my website. So now it is published. Of course, I don't need any comments. It's just a standardized document. I can view this on my website now. So if I click view post, it is going to take me to this page. You can see it's been added to my menu by default because all pages are added to your menu, but you can override those with custom menus, which we'll be doing on the.
And one more time, it's like not really important at the beginning, because at the end of the day, if you're running the blog like I do, I just basically copying and pasting the newsletter from AI Rundown. By the way, you appreciate if you will actually support me by subscribing that newsletter, because then I will have access to the AI tools, programs, and such things, so I can share with you. But what I'm trying to say, like, if you just started to run your blog, it's like it's not really important like at all. But at the end of the day, yeah, we can do this. So our website would be looks more like professional, I suppose, so, or whatever unknown reason to me.
The road. And you can see if I go to the homepage of my website, my privacy policy is not on my blog roll, just my About Me page at this point. Of course, I'll be building out content as I move forward. So privacy policy page is done. There's nothing else that I need to do, and we are good to go in that respect. So I hope you've enjoyed this little walkthrough here. If you have any questions about anything related to setting up your privacy policy or about the privacy policy itself, drop down into the comments below and leave me your questions or your comments or your feedback. Cheers.
Okie dokie, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, Kyle. Thank you very much, guys. I was talking a little bit of video as usual, or sometimes it's longer. So one more time, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video, and take care and bye for now.